broadband for just £3.75 a month. Call 08442 410 230.
Bloody two idiots trying to put a box up.
Sky, believe in better.
Sometimes paying back a loan in one
Aye,
payment.
a pair of idiots, David.
But when you get a loan from peachy.co.uk, you can pay it back in smaller amounts, making it much less daunting. Peachy is now offering loans from £50 to £700.
You thought that window cleaner would offer them that ladder, wouldn't you?
Go to peachy.co.uk today and have a peachy day. Representing 1,255.66% APR.
There's a mountain of money being set aside by banks to pay back PPI, possibly missold to you and I. Yet many people have done nothing about it. Can you really afford not to find out if you're owed up to £7,000? It's your money. So if you're nervous, unsure, or simply don't know, call Gladstone Brooks now and we'll guide you through the process. After all, it's what we do. Call today on 08000 469 600. Gladstone Brooks.
They might have it up by nightfall, David. What do you reckon?
Flush of vice. Void of virtue.
Oh well, definition of confusion.
Nuclear disaster has struck.